this is Milt Hatfield.
Yes.
Milt, you want to say a few words for posterity?
Well, nice to have you come out, Bernie, and take pictures of this little adventure we got started here. It's been 50 some years since I flew one like it. Matter of fact, 1932 I flew something similar to this that Doc Snyder had made. I saw him about 10 years ago, shortly before he died, and he discussed the project and wanted me to build one, and he thought it was still the best idea, so here it is. We're going to find out. I think it's a good idea. It's very simple, very light.
One problem. My glass is steamed up and that
Covering. It may weigh a little more when it's all done, but it's pretty close to 200 pounds. 28 horsepower engine, single cylinder. Tricycle gear. The elevators are underneath the wing on this aircraft instead of out in the back. The elevators serve as ailerons also. There's a very simple mixer on the control stick that makes them work both ways. Would you like to see the underside of it pretty soon, though?
Okay.
Jump around. This is all steel construction. You got an aluminum side panel on this side, so where the muffler is. The gas instead of an angle like this, so you can get in an 8-foot area. And then, of course, when they fold down, they bolt those in here, hold them. Be 17-foot wide, and it's completely assembled.
You want to show us how the stick works now?
Yeah. The control, this little hole here will retain the throttle and be like a choker on the car. By moving it back and forth, you get your elevator action. By turning it this way, you get aileron action. And then, of course, we have rudder pedals also, and brake pedals. And the brake pedals work the brakes and also the spoilers. If you push on the brake, both brakes, you spoil both the wings. If you push on one, you spoil one, and it can be used as ailerons also. This little thing accommodates the starter. This rope goes around this pulley, comes inside so you can start the aircraft from the inside. We've innovated a lot of things. The wheel that I have here is a skate wheel. It has a ball bearing skate wheel, and you turn the groove in it, so the starter rope will run around that and change the groove. So you won't have to stand out here and yank it. Gas tank would be quite convenient. Right out in front, we can pour in the fuel. So far there's no gauge on it, but we'll manage that somehow. This step will be a place where you put your foot when you want to get in it. Now the old Arab, you had to crawl in from underneath.
Yes.
But on this one, well, you step on here and stand up and step down inside. And plastic material, and will fold on here and serve as crash protection also. In other words, this is steel tubing, and if the airplane should be put on its back, why, it's sufficiently heavy to carry the airplane in an inverted position so that it won't wipe your nose off.
That's a good idea.
Put a handle on the outside, one on the inside, so you can open it. And this also cleans the airplane up and keeps the wind out of there and makes it a little more comfortable to ride in. The seat is made quite long. By changing the position of the back, you can regulate the space for different weight people and keep your weight balanced pretty close to where it is comfortable.
Uh-huh.
If you sit clear back in there, you'd be a little skinny guy.
Yep.
Take care of the weight. A big heavy guy, you might have sit farther ahead.
Uh-huh.
Tires. These are wide tires, so they won't cut in. pedals, and then return around base pulley and go up to the nose gear to steer nose gear. We have brakes in the wheels so we can stop the thing and also assist in turning. These ribs weigh about 2 pounds apiece. This whole spar, complete, clear across the wing, is 13 pounds. And the weight is very, very low on it. The distance from here to here is 11 inches, and up here is 13 inches, so the spar is real thick. Tremendous strength. This is one of the elevators. A few inches below the wing, projects behind the wing, so that you're working in probably the most positive air of the aircraft. The whole aircraft had the tail feathers up higher, and there was angles and positions you could get into that they lost their effectiveness. I think in this position they will retain their effectiveness right on down to a stall. This is a little skid we provided in case you landed too high an angle of attack. I'll wipe out the rudder and we'll take care of that. These pieces were put in to prevent the fabric from pulling the ribs out of shape. And angle braces here is quite common in fabric-covered airplanes to hold the position, hold the ribs stable.
What airfoil do you use on this Milt?
This airfoil is a 23012.
23012.
And one of the hard things to do is to get a constant airfoil from the center to the tips and keep everything lined up. If, when the airplane is together,
don't touch it, Ben.
If you were to photograph it, you would find that there's highs and lows in the airfoil, just spaces between the airfoils, because the percentage at which the spar passes through each rib is a different percentage of the cord. Therefore, you have a different thickness, and it really makes it hard to lay out. Now what?
Well, I think we're...
And the back spar, 15 pounds marked on there.
The rear spar.
Ribs weigh about 2 pounds apiece.
And
structure weighs 60 pounds.
60?
That's wheels, tires, and steel parts, 60 pounds. These are struts from an English moped. There's about 3 inches of travel, little strings in there. They're like die springs, square wire.
Huh. Okay.
Brakes are go-kart brakes, cable controlled. Brake pedals, rudder pedals. Nose here. This is steel tubing. It's got 8 inches of spring in there. It travels about 3.5 inches. Soak up some of the mistakes I make and apply it. This is 14 gauge steel motor mount. And these are rubber shock mounts. The motor sets on 4 of those.
Okay. Well, I think I got everything we can see from this side.
This is an interesting wheel here.
Yes?
This is one that probably is 15, 20 years old, and it was on some of the stuff that Wayne Eisen used to make.
Is that so?
I just happen to have one of them. ball bearings, magnesium wheel. Real light.
Okay.
These are wheels that was left over from the wheelchair business. I didn't have to buy much to build this thing. Pounds. 18 pounds. All wood, the steel tube around the edge, and that's a fiberglass tip on there. Made that over a plaster mold.
Okay. Let's work back toward the tail now. I can run out of light back there. There we go. Okay.
Rib spacing is about 18 inches apart. Cover this with some of Hero Kohler's lightweight fabric.